In 2021, we left our good-paying jobs close to the city of Philadelphia and headed for a country life in the mountains of West Virginia. We had a piece of land, a camper, a dream, and each other. Since then, we've worked hard to start our life here, and we're taking on the biggest challenge of our lives, finishing our Barndominium dream home. Our biggest hope is to inspire others through our journey, because it is possible to follow your dreams. I cannot even believe that I am saying this, but this week we have a lot of tasks to get done because next week is final inspection. We are literally at that point, guys. It's final inspection next week. There's actually so much that we're doing this week that we're going to have to make it a 3-part series.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the side. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying.
Guys, we got our couches! Woohoo! We were so excited. We popped one together already. Really easy, super easy. We got them from, hi Cooper.
He's excited too, right? We are getting very, very close if we're getting the furniture, right?
Yeah. Instead of building supplies being delivered, we're now finally getting some furniture.
Yep.
We're not done yet. We're still working on finishing touches and final electric, but we'll just cover the couches when we're done.
Yep. So we're gonna actually spend a minute to actually show you how easy it is to put these together.
We got them from Wayfair,
Yep.
and I mean, it's hard to know when you're ordering online, but I think the color is perfect and we're happy with it.
Yep.
So we're gonna pop the other one together so that you guys can see how easy it is.
Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down.
Let's sit here and relax and take a nap. One day, right?
One day, soon. We gotta work hard now, play hard later.
Yep. All right, let's get back to work.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a
finally having water
Yes.
for the first time in 2 years, having running water on our property and not having to haul it all in. So we are incredibly blessed by that. And
So is my back.
Yeah. So now that we have a well and we have water, we are loving every bit of it. But if you are like us and you have a well, sometimes you get a sulfur smell.
Yep.
So after researching and talking to a lot of people, we got a couple really great tips. And what we're going to do today is switch out our anode in our hot water heater to an electric anode rod.
Got it. It's a big one. Holy crap.
All right, here's the new one going in.
Yep. All right, that's a good sign. It's green.
All right, so we turned back on the water. It did spurt for a little bit with the air that had to come out. So it says to let it run for 3 minutes once it's got this full stream to make sure that the water tank is full again. And then we'll be able to turn the power back on to the hot water heater. Hot water heater is back on and we've tested the water and let it run. And I can tell you the smell is gone. The sulfur smell is 100% gone. Here is what we installed in place of our original anode in case anybody else is interested in it. We are very happy with the result. Thank you guys again for watching. This is part 1 of 3 of our final week before final inspection. So tune in for the next one. And here's a little sneak peek of what our finished house looks like.